guys, how you guys doing today? Wherever you're watching me from, you're welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time here, you're welcome as well. My name is Victoria and this is my YouTube channel where I share inspiring and exciting stuff about faith, family, relationship, lifestyle, and it's always very inspiring and exciting. You're welcome here. You can join us by clicking on the subscribe button and then make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that each time I upload new videos you will be aware. Yeah, going straight to the business of this video, I want to share with you guys everything that I enjoy because I married early. Yeah. Early marriage, what does it entail? How sweet is it? And what are the advantages of getting married at your early 20s? These are the things you are going to be getting in this video. Early marriage. Is there anything like early marriage or late marriage? Is there timing in marriage? In my previous video, I shared a video previously where I discussed 3 amazing things that you must make sure you do before you get married in your early 20s. And in the video, I discussed a lot about the marriage timing. Is there really any generic timing for marriage? Is there anything like early marriage or late marriage? You can get this video in my channel or just click the link in the description box. You will get that video there. So guys, is there really anything like early marriage or late marriage? Okay, there is no timing in marriage. My timing is different from yours, just as yours is different from hers. So absolutely there is no timing. But what I mean by early marriage is when you get married around your early 20s. If you get married at your early 20s, maybe 20, 21 to 25, I think it's early marriage. Or let me say you get married from your 18 to say 25, it's early marriage. You marry early compared to someone that is getting married at 27, 8, 9, 30, 35, 38, you know, just as simple as that. So now if you're able or you're privileged or you're graced to get married very early at your early 20s, you're going to really enjoy this stuff. So if you know that you married at this ages as the early 20s, make sure you comment. We are together in the comment section, and make sure that you also tell us your experiences and the things that you also enjoy or that you're enjoying in your early marriage. Let us know, let other people know as well, so that they'll be encouraged. So going straight to the business, number one thing that you're really going to enjoy about getting married very early is the fact that you still have the strength and you still have the vibrance. Yes, so you're going to enjoy your strength and your vibrance. In what sense? You're going to really be very strong with emotion. Your emotion is still very strong and at the same time soft, because you're still very young, and then your affection is still very weighty. You know just how it feels when a teenage is in love. You know how very soft and strong at the same time it feels. You're going to enjoy love that way, and then you know what that means. It makes you to really enjoy what the marriage is all about, and it's going to be feeling really sweet. Always. Second thing is very amazing, and it's that you're going to have your kids early. Yes, you get to make babies on time, and as before you know it, you're already done with baby making, and you have the time to go ahead doing every other thing. Yes, you know the number of kids you want to have. You and your partner already make a decision around it. Once you get married early, you get the babies available, you make your babies, and then you will just, you know, continue and face other goals, and then you all will be growing together. Your kids are growing, you're growing, and the family is growing, and before you know it, you have gotten things achieved. A lot of things achieved already. You have the kids, you have got your goals achieved, and it's just so sweet and really beautiful. You know what guys, this particular one is really funny, or let me say crazy, and it's the fact that people will not believe that you're married. People will be thinking that you're still single. You still get men wooing you and toasting you. Like, there's a way it makes me feel. I don't know about you, but as a married woman, you have kids already, and people say like, are you married? Oh sorry, I didn't know you're married. People walk up to you at the lounge at the eatery or wherever, at the park or wherever, and still want to talk to you and still want to ask you out, and you're like, I'm married. Oh, sorry, you're married. You understand how sweet that is. Yeah, you look young forever. You look younger forever, and people will just believe that you're still single. Oh, okay. So what other thing? Yeah. The fact that you have a life mate, like you have a mate, you have someone that you're passing through life together, you have someone to make decisions with. You're still very young. There's some decisions that your parents can not actually make for you as an adult, as a young adult. But if you're alone, you're not married, you could just have done this. But the fact that you have one person to yourself, that you are now one, and you can always reason together, you can always walk the journey together, and make your goals achievable and achieved together with this particular person is really, really sweet, and it's something that I really enjoyed about. Marrying early, yeah, it's something that is really good, and it's such a big advantage for early marriage. So if you are planning to marry early, so another thing that I think is really, really nice about early marriage is the health benefit. Yes, the health benefits, the fact that you are still very young and all your body system is still young for sex, for pregnancy as a woman, for sex as a man. You're still very healthy, you're still very strong, even for fertility and for children production. Your body system is still very soft, very young, very tender, and very, very ready for production of children. There's something that the doctors call high risk. This is when a woman is past the age of 35 or 40 or so, is high risk. But if you are younger, you're much younger, in your early 20s, that means you have low risk for fertility and pregnancy, childbearing and childbirth, etc. You're still young, you're still vibrant, and you're still very, very fresh. So if you're watching this video and you're considering getting married at your early 20s, it's really a nice thing to do. Though there are certain things that you should do, or let me say that you should have achieved before you can say that you want to make the decision, this big decision to get married at your early 20s. And in order to know these things, you need to watch my previous video on the 3 important things that you must do, that you must make sure that you achieve before you get married at your early 20s. So if you have to advise someone, or you are even the person by yourself that you're trying to make the decision whether you should get married now that you're in your early 20s, make sure that you watch my previous video. In this video, you will get to know if you should make this decision or not, because I treated there everything that you need to do before you make the decision. Your early 20s, or let me say your 20s, is a very, very vital time period of your life, so make sure that you make good use of it. Getting married at your early 20s could cost you a lot, like a whole lot, if care is not taken, because that is the period of your life when you have the energy, the strength, and the vibrance to achieve things, to achieve all your set goals. So if you get married at this age and you're not sure and you're not fully prepared and you've not achieved everything that you ought to have achieved before you move into the marriage, you may end up messing up with your life. So you need to see this video on everything that you must achieve before you get married in your 20s. If you have seen the videos and you finally make the decision to get married at your 20s, then this particular video that you just finished watching has shown you everything that you're going to enjoy in your early marriage. It's really, really sweet to get married early. It is sweet and super sweet, and I pray for you that no matter the time you get married, you're going to enjoy and not endure your marriage in Jesus. See this set video, just click on the link in the description box over there and you're going to get this video right there. You find it really inspiring, I promise you. Thank you for watching this video up till now. You're such an amazing person. If you have not joined this family and you like this video, you would like to be seeing more of this kind of videos, then you have to click on the subscribe button so that you'll be subscribed to this channel and you'll be seeing all my videos. Click on the notification icon so that each time I upload new videos, you'll be part of this first set of people to see these videos. Make sure you like this video, and if you love your friends children so much. Do well to share it with them. Share with your parents. Share with your aunties and uncles. Let them watch and help their children. Also, make sure that you share every possible way you can. Thanks once again. My name is Victoria, and don't forget that I love you so much and Jesus loves you more. Have a great day. Bye.